Today, I'm going to show you an incredible trick, transforming this broken hot glue gun into a powerful, versatile electric arc tool. As you can see, when I plug it in, nothing happens. It's completely dead. But instead of throwing it away, I have a brilliant idea to upcycle its ergonomic handle into something entirely new. This shape is perfect for our project. I'll start by taking a screwdriver and removing all the screws to open up the casing. Once inside, I carefully remove the old heating element, the nozzle, and the power cord. We won't be needing these parts anymore, as we are completely gutting the inside to make room for our new electrical components. Leave a comment and let me know which country you are watching from. It's great that we can connect and chat from all over the world. I'm taking an old spark plug from my parts bin. I take a piece of thick red wire, strip the insulation off the end, and securely wrap it around the top terminal of the spark plug. A tight connection is essential here to ensure maximum current flow and prevent overheating. At the other end of the red wire, I will strip the insulation and wrap it around the threaded metal part of the spark plug. Then, I take another piece of red wire, strip it, and wrap it around the threaded metal body of the spark plug. This acts as our ground electrical contact. To keep everything secure and prevent any accidental short circuits, I'm wrapping the connections tightly with electrical tape. Safety is always a priority. Now, I'll place the modified spark plug right where the original nozzle used to be. It fits perfectly. I route the red wire out through the bottom of the handle, reassemble the plastic casing, and screw it all back together securely. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any interesting ideas coming soon. I will also attach a small metal washer to the end of the red wire to make it easier to connect to the power source later. For the tip of our tool, I'm extracting the carbon rod from an old AA battery. I use pliers to carefully open the battery casing and pull out the rod, making sure to wipe off any chemical residue with a paper towel for a clean contact. To make this tool precise, the carbon rod needs a sharp tip. I chuck the rod into my power drill and spin it against a piece of sandpaper. This acts like a mini lathe, quickly and evenly sharpening the carbon rod to a fine point, which will focus the electrical arc perfectly for detailed work. To attach the carbon tip to our gun, I'm taking a metal terminal from a standard wire connector block. I screw one end of this terminal onto the protruding tip of the spark plug. Then, I insert our sharpened carbon rod into the other end and tighten the set screw to hold it firmly in place. I need to create a ground wire assembly. I'm taking a blue wire, stripping the ends, and attaching a metal washer to one side and a strong alligator clip to the other. This alligator clip will allow us to easily attach the ground to whatever metal object we are working on, completing the circuit. I'm connecting the tool to a high-capacity drill battery. Watch what happens when I connect the ground wire to the tin wire and touch it with the carbon tip. The intensely concentrated heat instantly creates an electrical spark, melting the tin wire. It's incredibly powerful. But that's not all it can do. It's also perfect for heavy-duty soldering. I can easily melt large blobs of solder on a circuit board. The carbon tip heats up instantly and provides localized high-temperature heat exactly where I need it, making quick work of stubborn electronic components. I have a wire here. I'm going to strip off the outer insulation to expose the copper core inside. I'm going to twist the two ends together and join them with a soldering iron. Watch what happens when I touch the tip of the soldering iron to the copper wire. Look at those sparks. The immense heat generated at the tip of the soldering iron melts the copper wire instantly, welding them together like a spot welder. I can even use it for engraving. By clamping the ground to a foil-wrapped block of wood, I can use the tool to burn designs or words right into the surface. Look how perfectly it works. If you enjoyed this project, please give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below telling me what you think. Don't forget to subscribe for more fantastic DIY ideas. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.